Ooh, it's rainy. You know what that means. Something bad's gonna happen. Is he taking drugs again?
Todd? Dinner is ready.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Foreshadowing. Serve food. Before I do that, is there anything else I could do? There is something else I can do. Let's do that before I grab the food. It was over here. Ha. Turn on. Sweet. Oh, can I talk to Alice? Or no? Nope. Is he doing drugs? Boy. Again? He needs to lay off the juice. Ooh, this dinner looks actually rad.
There wasn't much in the kitchen. I did what I could.
For a second, I was like, why doesn't Kara get herself something to eat? But then I realized that she doesn't eat.
Life's funny. I lost my job because of androids. And I need somebody to take care of this goddamn house. What do? I go out and hire a fucking android. What a joke. Of course, androids are so fucking wonderful. They never...
Stop moving around! For Christ's sake, you're making me nervous!
I was just moving out of the way. God.
What's your fucking problem? Not the life you dreamed of, eh? Maybe you think this is easy. Maybe you think it's my fault we live in this fucking shithole. My fault your fucking mother took off.
Ooh.
You should stop taking drugs, Todd. Sometimes you really scare me, Todd. Fucking bitch took off without a word. Fucking whore walked out on me for a fucking accountant!
I don't blame her for walking out if you act like this.
Fucking fault! Get back here.
Oh,
Back here?
poor Alice.
Come back here right now!
Oh no, I want to just get her and get the fuck out of this house. Oh.
You stay there. Don't you dare fucking move, or I'll bust you worse than last time.
Oh no. I'm not allowed to move?
You took off without a word.
I can't move?
I could have been happy. I could have had a family. But no! She didn't give a shit about how I felt. I did everything I could to make her happy.
I feel like if I move, he's gonna yell at me.
I just wasn't good enough for her!
Oh, I don't feel safe. Alright, I'm gonna try to move. Oh, let's go. I can kind of move. Oh, I have to hold it? Oh, there you go. Maybe I'm like breaking out of my like coding, you know? Like making my own choices. I'm free from Todd's control. Protect Alice, absolutely. You know what? I remember the other chapter we found a gun. No, I don't want to reason with him. I just want to get Alice and just go. So let's go upstairs. Let's grab that gun. And I left the window open, so maybe I can get out of her window. Let's just go. Yeah, let's get that gun. Like, can I sprint? No, I can't sprint. Just take it, take it, take it. Uh-huh. Oh, shit! Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. I want to try my best not to use any violence, but I'm gonna have to, because, yes.
Don't make me come in.
Daddy!
Good, Alice.
Oh!
That's enough!
That's right.
Leave her alone.
What the fuck are you doing? Put down the gun and get the fuck out of here.
No!
That's an order!
No! I want you to leave her alone.
You want? What do you mean you want? What are you gonna do? You gonna shoot me? Is that it?
I will if I have to.
Shoot a human?
Oh, crap.
You seem to have a problem. I think we need to fix that.
Oh, I'm not fast enough for this.
Watch out, Kara!
Let's go.
Come here, bitch.
Oh, let's go. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, come on, Kara. Let's go. Oh, I hit the wrong button. No.
Leave her alone!
You do as I say.
I shot him. But this shows you, like, the last chapter, like, that android was just protecting himself, and she did the same thing. So just go, girl. Oh. I could also go out the window. Maybe I should just go out the front door. I don't know. Oh man, I wish she closed the front door though. It's gonna look very suspicious. Yay, Todd is dead. Ah, I wish she closed the door because it looks so obvious, but that's alright. So now they're on the run. Aw, but Alice is okay. Dang. So that was Kara's chapter. Look how many ways that could have went. Like, holy cow. And I only did 23% complete. This could have gone a bunch of different ways. Holy smokes. Okay, let's view the world stats. Did I do what a lot of other people did? Let's see. She's fine. Trademarked. Dinner's ready. Okay. Todd gets mad like always. Break programming. Okay, so 97% of us didn't. So maybe there's a path where like she doesn't like move and Alice just dies. So Kara becomes deviant. So yeah, so deviant must mean that she just broke out of her programming and she now makes her own choices. So she goes upstairs, 97% of us. So there's another route where she doesn't go help Alice. I'm boggled by that. Let's go see. Gun scene in a new home. So 50% of us took the gun. So I'm glad that I had it, because that would have been really hard to do if I didn't have one. Get to Alice after Todd. 77%? So is there like a road where people like don't get to her in time? Probably. There must be. Okay. Threaten with the gun, half of us. Defend Alice, 83% of us. Kara kills Todd, 46%. So at this point, like, there's other ones where maybe if you, like, missed your buttons and didn't get it in time, I'm thinking. If she just runs from the house without Alice. Oh, man. Yeah, you might be right, honestly. Open the front door. So yeah, I think there was an option to go out through the window, which maybe I should have done that so it's not as obvious as like we killed somebody, but it is what it is. Run to the bus. There's another route to go. Oh, no. Run to the bus and then here. Kara shot Todd. I mean, I didn't want to kill him, but this man did not need to be alive. So let's move on to the next chapter. Absolutely.